again, planning blow you to him good. Suppose where you want them put on one new development or something and we should start in place. Why now you meeting thing blow you some GIS more IT? If I give him two basic reasons. The other one he want him blow improve decision making, land management procedures, more practices. You may try to make more transparent. Why minimize conflict law all families. And then next something now, say you may try to deliver service, the land information and make all clients at a very fast rate. Inside long lands department or Ministry of Lands, now yeah, you make a few something we have missed up. I think the first one with you've been serving a long time before you come in the fundraise system. And then the next one, me digital cadastral database, where me really have me all information about all cadastral maps, all maps where in the country today, you make along 18,000 titles throughout Vanuatu, 18,000 titles in the country. One thing me all cadastral maps, and then all casita. Casita means all something where we start on the ground, and then next something down in me survey where you make out inside the system with them evaluation, where by me trying to represent them with them last one me information system. Now the fundraise system, I think is something when we look at them inside the one map, and we cut some little something in the brown law same time when you click them by information to show them say me one M. Time you click one all polygons inside one M if I call them resource mapping units or RMU, by me giving me one list of information about one particular RMU or resource mapping unit. By Isabetalem say crown here me one M kind crown. You good lo planem kakai or you know good lo planem kakai. Pambahay mi sabi give you information ya. Lo presia tingin mi adem sambala layers pa again. By you look some cadastral maps and me overlay. So time you look lo small box lem, by you look in additional information where you click lo one, pambahay give me all information. The next something where I think department and Mr. Megem, Musalo GIS in the all aerial photographs where we show all land use systems for country. And I think me not very new, but me one old map we made, but me show one type of each station or one kind land use na man name use lo island bloifate. The same layers of Mitalem. Got roads and villages where Mr. Blow Island Bloivate. The other thing where you may try and look like me the land use policy for one particular island. And me lo place here, but you look in green, dark green color where Mr. He me show me one prime agricultural land. But suppose you look good long map with the screen, but you look at one road, me go through the road place, you go through the side. Lo efate, you make a two sites no more, where me all good farmland lo island lo efate. You got lo Mele Plains, mo you got lo Teuma Plains. To la place here, me to like a ground with to like me best land. Whereby you plant the year, you plant the next year by soil and also we're going to good. But problem like me, ground have Mr. Lo or landowner. So landowner have make a decision to make many things concerning land. When something about your country, I think he may come back long before to say knowledge land policy, I think he may not cut. And I am Mr. Shom Loyola now. Say all green space. If I be a trembler, encourage him say, you know, put on one big house land, but you must use some plan M kakai. Now, second point where you may put on say me landowners' rights. Now landowner's rights means suppose landowner he may decide to develop him land him he may prime agricultural land. You may not get control over him from crown he may land. And then last bullet point down that he means try and say you may should got government, all chiefs, all people around the country, you may should got one particular plan. Like you may make him say all land where only start of green space, you may should protect them all, get money plan them island. On the same slide, you go over him, all green, the dark green spaces. The prime agricultural land. Here you may overlay all boundaries belong to manually developers, all ranges, development, low side, low housing. You look green space here, you all green color, you know what? All title, cover full of all green spaces. So semitalem. Landowner have got right over the land blame. The government, you know, got right over the land blame. The next thing when we want them show them, we DCDB, we cadastral database. Every 18,000 lease land, law country. And we look at them. And we want system. Where you may just money apply for one ground, lo botila, you may start lo one, lo say, you may apply from, you may take him, somebody may come survey, and then he may look at some lo create waste up. The next thing where you may get him, you may tell him all Cassity. Cassity means one river, one mountain. So we are general, he things by you may mass put him, by may start. Suppose where you may make one survey, you may not must destroy them. So only come with some more landmarks or specific landmarks below all islands below you may. So cadastral maps, I think you may cut one, you may cut the country. Suppose you call front the boot domifla, but you look in all maps where you should look at them. Hemiana hemi one information will show them use one name now cadastral information where you make it. I think me part lo street to Port Villa. You make it one more hemi all provincial maps lo place plum away, but you look in all maps too, or you look at them where you may divide them lo 6 provinces throughout the country. I think we just want them come finish him. Presentation Blomivla, law new systems when Mivla cut in-house this time. I think one law something when Mivla is at time to develop me e-registry. Another one e-evaluation. Next one e-planning. And then most look at the something hemi come on lead on Mivla created one something Mivla call them say title information system. We start the day, World ICT Day. If I decide to come present them from, suppose you got one title, you ask him, local boot blue. Suppose you got title blue, or you got name blue, or Papa blue. You call all boil away. You give him name Papa blue. Papa only type him, but you look him every information below crown blue. And Mr. System blue. The first time we advertise him, and just tell him blue say after long. This month, next month, time when you come information here, and by me you like charging you. Maybe small number, I think 2,000 low search. Okay. We just want them give him one small information law title information system. Law before, suppose you come, you want them search one title law lands, you put them employee, want them title, want them search them. By me take you about 184 days. 184 days before this will give me a file. You may cut all files or lands long you may go back as far as 17,000 or 1700. 1700 time where all man outside the ligam muli take all crown blumi or go register mo Fiji mo New Caledonia, and then process play may become go ikasem today. Where today me just tell them out say currently we have 18,000 titles, registered titles in the established system limi, and you may start them process them, lo capture them digitally, lo 2007. Kasem today when me come lo present them lo na ya you may move out lo paper data, you may come lo digital. But new system, the process will come, I think it's been taken 10 days. And then they come go as Mr. Tok Naya. Suppose you search long new system, when Mr. been taken you at 2 seconds. For full information for Crown Law Daddy Blue or Mami Blue, you have a looking law title information system. You just want them to tell them you mean no more everyone say me like process block cleaning by next month, by OZ me officially give him law government, and then by him system with the government him use now you go forward. One logo the big plus something future plans I think him last something down him solar. Me I stop thinking blow after TIS me I launch him. Next something with Bamba him stand for systems for open land administration. Where FAO him start thinking blow come assist him lab. Under lo solar, Bamba you may come up with one something where me present them lo beginning every map where you may look lo front. You come kasem title information system ya. One name Bamba you may call front of the land information system. Where suppose you come in the system, you want them click the title blue, you want them look one them kind crowns, suppose road the pass them or one them kind infrastructure is them, but by every information is them. Title information system. And you look at them. One plain window. You come in, you type in name blue, well boy you access blue. Then you go inside. All real estate, so let's say you soon finish. If I try to find out ways how number by money he paid through the government. And suppose money may come in, you pay through the government cashier. Every time you search, and the low he 500 for one search. Suppose you print him 1,000 below printing one document. And every time you do a search, by 500 he may deduct from account to you. But government may still look how best number by you may manage them. People generally use a come in, you want them search, use a go one new system when people just introduce them, you just come in and type them title blue, use a title blue. And now you have a life law behind. Inside the title information system, you may look at them. Every transactions between one title blue, suppose crown blue, he may be one money taken first. He transfer equal on Raflaman, and then you take one mortgage or any something. Every information he may stop inside. With hyperlink, where he stop, or blue with them hyperlink is all him, that you click line, but he may come up with them all additional information. All additional information, but he may come with them something or something. So currently, he may live behind the room. We just want them to one note level almost a time where you may start to digital by full up manual process where you make up na by me fly kai from far away up lo cultural center. Then by you must go digital. The next something when we fly him again, have me valuation. Valuation of every property in town. Suppose you want them to have a value block ground blue, you shall come inside, check and say ground blue, you may look on them. One name na install him, suppose road blame you good or road blame you no good. Every information there you may before I document them everyone. So let me just give him one slide number blow, one title town. The next thing when we fly cut, have evaluation rates. Suppose you want them mortgage and property below you, or you want them go take a mortgage below make them not business. I think you system in house naya, where government and make them finish. Now you come in, title below you want them service a value block ground below you, hemi hamas. You make cut naya law house. Otherwise, I mean, more land me on the key below you fly everyone. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas. Law lands, Ministry of Lands. We now time for any questions, comments relating law presentation with Mrs. Haram about how Ministry of Lands has established technology, law has mapol process, especially now look title search, law all titles, block crown. Okay, me.
I'd be interested to know how, I mean, this is a really great system, what you have set up, and I'd like to know how, or if at all, you're going to make this information available to the new land title disputes courts that have been set up under the new land law, or are you going to update your information according to the decisions of those courts?
Concerning the courts, so what are you asking?
As land title disputes are decided by these courts, I mean, as soon as a decision is handed down, will that information then be reflected in the databases you're putting together?
With the current one, the formal ones, which I mentioned about 18,000 of them, there is, those are the ones that we say that there is no dispute on them. But when you go to customary lands, that's where the dispute comes in. But there is a process in place now where if you want to apply for a customary land on one of the islands, there is a process that you have to follow through until you can take the land. Otherwise, you can go in and take the land as you want, but there is a process which the government has set up in place now. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Any other question?
When you talk about evaluation below land, if me want them survey evaluation below land below 1 month or you got one fees below them, you got one processes below make them?
Look, government, I think you may provide them service here, but at times, like all commercial banks, but by only no survey, maybe by only accept them local government, or accept them local governments. But all banks only got on process together. So, but if you want for the government, yes, the government can provide valuation for you. But so, maybe by you know happy him say property below me is the low coastline, he should have a higher value, but government may give value, he may not big one too much. Then by satisfy with them. Then you can go to a private valuer, lawless have a value property play.
The evaluation, you give him blow me, and me free, or me must pay?
You pay.
How much it will cost me?
Minus Save straight, but probably 1,000 Watu, I guess.
Thank you. I appreciate your answer.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Thomas. Low question. Wahemikam, any other questions? Okay, I think you know that question. William, suppose you got any last comments or anything before you meet closing session?
Yes, I think law, just to let everyone know that this period now until next month, the government may give him one free service. But you have a law department, you search and title blue, lo looking one name wrong lo title blue, you know pay one something. Only because Mivlai trying to clean him 18,000 titles, yeah. Lo magames hemi perfect before Mivlai have a launch him. Next thing, the more thing, you meet all friends where only got all titles, only live overseas. I think plan block government too say system where you may design him and me bamba him still call live lo internet once government him decides to bamba him call internet, which means that suppose you got one land, you start overseas, you want them pay land rent to him, you still have a start overseas, and then you lock on the system, lo pay land rent to you. I think lands with them OGCIO to like make them some negotiation finish. But looks how best now, which bank number you use belong hemi gather for any system where you use belong man hemi pem or land rent to him suppose Mr. overseas. So system member by me want them inform me on the house, but we design them in such a way. You tell them thank you to Lofano software he been helping me, but them on consultants will come outside to help you me. Because such time when I hear you me ready to launch them, and next month you me launch them. So feel free, time le me me kalau sampai me finish, but feel free to come around lo boot lo way. You got one title, try ask him lo boy, me live naya, ask him lo kada suppose only have show title for you, bambay only kalau system lo show lo use house play use them. So when them look value block around for you, only have you too na ya se value block ground blue na way stop emission mas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Thomas William. Lo one very comprehensive presentation. Lo site lo geographic information system. Okay, we shall now move to our last presentation for today, and I am asking, thank you, all our presenters, our panelists, if you can make your way up to the stage. Our last presentation typically summarizes all our discussions and presentations during the past 2 days, yesterday and today. And this session just gives a summary, gives an overview on what our experts foresee within the next few years, the future basically of ICTs and how innovation will become like within the next few years. So all moderators blame me, moderator blame him is finished with them all most of the panelists. So I am asking you all if you could come forward for us to start our last session for the day.